Alrighty, so there's my mom saying hi, showing a brown product, green product, white and blue and black product, brown product, white and purple product. Alrighty, cool bun. And off, now you see the blonde bun. I really like her blonde hair, by the way. Oh, it's not a bun anymore. Oh yeah, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I forgot about that. Purple hair tie. Okay, so now we're making a twist, I think it's called. I'm not an expert with hair, so don't judge me. So, we're taking it out and it's very puffy. Very puffy. So now we're gonna use some olive oil. Put a lot of it on your hand, like so, kind of. No, that was bad. That was a bad joke. Okay, so we're putting another clip thing, pink thing on that she's using to brush her hair. Oh, a roll? Oh, I wonder what those are called. Anyone know what these things are called? You need to help me out. It's rolling her hair. I think it's called a roller, maybe? Maybe call it roller. So it's rolling up her hair, tightening it, and now pop. It's on. That's how her hair looks like that. Okay, interesting. You're using the green thing again, but the brown part. Back to the pink brush to make it straight again. Some more oil, I think. Back to the green thing. Back to the orange roller. Roll, 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 roll. Turn, turn. Roll, 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 roll. Turn. Roll. Roll! Yay, we're done. Okay, enough rolls for now. I realized there's a hole inside of it. Did you guys know that? Interesting. If you ever notice, her glasses are off and on. Actually, her glasses have been on and then off. Back to another roller. Roll, roll, roll your hair gently down your head. Roll, roll, roll your hair. Life is but a dream. Okay, now we're going speed. Speed, 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 speed. Speed, 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 speed. Rolling, rolling, rolling. And it's a blonde hair one this time. Lots of rollers. I wonder how many rollers are in her hair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. I can't count that fast. Okay. Okay, and now that's after. And now, subscribe! Thanks for watching my first voiceover!
Those of you who've been watching since 11 MJ's mommy, that was MJ, and he's 10 now, so show my baby some love down below. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope it helps some of you out. Bye!